This week's RV Toolbox must-have is the Nite Ize Gear Ties. These are flexible, sort of rubber-coated gear ties that you can use for all sorts of things. They do come in multiple sizes. They come in different capabilities. They also do come in a bunch of different colors, which is kind of cool. We've used them for the normal things like tying up cables with the little ones or tying up power cables with the larger ones. We even use them to tie up our RV's power cable, but we've hung lanterns with them. I've used them to hold the basket on my bicycle. We hold our chairs for travel. I've hung flags with them, all sorts of things. In fact, last week I told you I use a GoPro on the Mr. Longarm pole so I can actually see what I'm doing when I'm cleaning the solar panels or doing a roof inspection from the ground. Well, this is how I attach the GoPro to the Mr. Longarm pole. I just use a couple of these smaller Nite Ize Gear Ties and tie it right up. They're really durable. I've yet to break one. Of course, I've lost quite a few. Heck, I've even fixed my RV's dump valve, and Peggy's used them to tie up her hair. You can find this tip along with all kinds of ideas, destinations, deals, a weekly podcast, and so much more at our home on the web at StressLessCamping.com. Oh, and happy camping!
Tony Zippy Tip!